Hello viewers, welcome back to class. I'm super excited to welcome you guys back to class again. Don't forget, this is Master Builders Online Academy. You are welcome to Master Builders Online Academy. If you are new in this channel, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and ensure that you turn on the post notification bell. Like this video, share this video, and leave your necessary comment. Now listen, for your own advantage, do not skip any part of this video. This is for your own good. And ensure that anytime you are set to watch and to learn new concepts from this platform, do not entertain any form of distraction. Do not entertain any form of distraction. And finally, if there be any part in this video you do not understand, when you watch it for the very first time, guys, you have the opportunity to replay the video over and over again until you understand it. Yes, you will understand it and you can understand it. Now, if at the end of watching the video over and over again, you still have questions to ask, guys, don't hesitate. Just slide down to the comment section and document your question. We will answer your questions to your satisfaction. So guys, if this is taken, let's get to the business of the day. Now we are integrating exponential function. Integration of exponential functions. Of course, I explained earlier we are integrating functions. So in this lesson now, we are integrating exponential functions. So guys, how do we integrate exponential functions? And understand that we are using shortcuts because this lesson is mainly for objective students. So how do we integrate exponential functions with shortcuts? All I need to do to integrate exponential functions using shortcut is to identify the function of x, which happens to be the power of the exponential function. So just identify the power of the exponential function and differentiate the function. When you differentiate the function, take 1 over whatever you have as the differential result and multiply by the function you were given. I take it again. When you are integrating exponential function, all you need to do is to what? Differentiate the power of the exponential function and then put down 1 all over whatever result you have when you differentiated the power of the exponential function and then multiply the results by the function that you were given. It's as simple as this. Now let's look at the board. On the board, we are asked to find the following integrals. 1, we have integral of 5x dx. Now let's look at this. We have solution. 1, y is equal to exponent 5x dx. Now y would have become, all I just need to do is to identify the power of the exponential function, which is 5x. When I differentiate 5x with respect to x, I have 5. So I will just take the reciprocal of that result, 1 over whatever I have, then multiply by what I was given, plus c. This is the answer to this question. Of course, if you really want to solve this question, you would have solved this question using substitution method, integration by substitution. Now, let's look at question number 2. We have y is equal to integral of exponent minus 3x dx. Then we have y is equal to, now we are integrating exponential 3x dx. All I need to do is to identify the power. Now the power here is negative 3x. When I differentiate minus 3x with respect to x, I have minus 3. So I will take 1 over this result. I will have minus 1 over 3 multiplied by whatever exponential function that you are given, plus. This is the answer to this question. Very simple. Application of principles and what? Boundary conditions. Differentiate the power, take the result as 1 over whatever you have, multiply by what? The function given. This is it. When you understand boundary conditions, you will not overstep your boundaries. Now, next we have question number 3. We are asked to integrate integral of exponent 2x plus 4 exponent 3x all dx. Now I have plus connecting two exponential functions and I need to integrate these functions individually. When I integrate exponent 2x, what do I have? First I have y is equal to differentiate the power. You will have this to be what? 2. When you differentiate 2x, you have 2. Then you take 1 over 2, multiply by what? The given function. Then plus 4. Identify the power of this next exponential function, which is 3x. When you differentiate 3x, you have 3. So you take 1 over 3, then multiply by what? The exponential function, plus 3. This is the answer to this question. It's as simple as this. Now the next is to look at question number 4. Question number 4, we have y is equal to integral of exponent 5x plus 2 or dx. And therefore y would have given us. Now listen carefully, all of these values that we are having here, we already have them in our standard table. Now just listen carefully. All these values, these formulas and these methodologies that we are strictly following here, we already have them in our standard table. So you can go to the very first session of this integration, then you look out for the table for standard derivatives, standard integrals. On the board we have this. Now the first thing we will do is to identify the power of the exponential function, which is the function of x, and that happens to be 5x plus 2. And what must I do to this? I need to differentiate this with respect to x. When I differentiate 5x with respect to x, I have 5. And when I differentiate 2 with respect to x, I have 0. Automatically 5 plus 0 would have given us 5. So all I need to do is to take this as 1 over 5, multiply by the exponential function that I am given. 5x plus 2 or plus c. This is the answer to this question. As simple as this. When you understand principles, you become a principal. When you understand boundary conditions, you will not overstep your boundaries. So if at this point you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the post notification bell for more exciting lessons. Now we have question number 5. Y is equal to integral of exponent 3 minus 2x or dx. Now we are going to have this as y is equal to, when we integrate this, what do we have? First is to identify the power, which is 3 minus 2x. And I need to differentiate this power, which is the function of x, with respect to x. And when I differentiate this will have given us 0. When we differentiate 2x with respect to x, we have 2. And 0 minus 2, we have minus 2. So I will now take inverse of what? 1 over 2. This negative sign is this, 1 over whatever result you have here, multiplied by the given function. 3 minus 2x plus c. This is the answer to this very question. Now guys, if for instance I have y as question number 6, y is equal to integral of exponent sine x. All I need to do is to have y with respect to x. All I just need to do here is to identify the power of the exponential function. And the power of the exponential function here is sine x. So when I differentiate sine x, what do I have? Y would have become, when I differentiate sine x, I have cos x. Then this will have become 1 over cos x exponential sine x plus c. This is the answer. 1 over cos x exponential sine x. All you always do is to differentiate the power and take the result as 1 over the differential result multiplied by the exponential function that you are given. This is how simple it is. Like I do always tell you guys, these problems that we solve here, they might not be enough to help you gain mastery. So that's the reason why you have the opportunity to visit your textbook or Google to search for more problems, solve more problems so that you gain adequate mastery over this. And listen carefully, the little problems we have solved, I believe they are enough to help you solve thousands of problems on your own. So if you find this content helpful, guys, do consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and ensure you turn on the post notification bell for exciting videos. Share this video, like this video, and make your necessary comments. You can check the description below where you will find a link to the next lesson. So guys, see you in the next lesson.